Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious. He's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. We're not gonna know. Nobody's gonna know how we enter clip. What's up, guys? We are out here at the Freedom Factory for the 2.4 hour of LeMullets. They are currently doing some side-by-side racing right now. It's been hours of rain, and it's supposed to rain the entire night and during the entire event, and it's like 55, 56 degrees. You can actually see my breath right now. I thought I left Ohio and came to Florida, but I was wrong again. They have all the Crown Vics lined up right now, some of the biggest names in the YouTube world, and there's actually a few NASCAR drivers that are here as well, so that's pretty awesome. Up there, that gated area is like a VIP section. Fans can pay some extra money, get closer to the drivers, see them all. They're stickering up their cars right now, and surprisingly, there's a lot of fans here. They are in ponchos, frog togs, everything right now. It's absolutely crazy out here. Skids for Kids, Seth. Seth needs to get his car into the trailer because it broke it. Klaus is also broken. Toast is okay, isn't he?
So his train's a little messed up, but
yeah, aren't they all?
Yeah.
Well, he wanted to get a forklift, and I said, let's use Klaus because we like breaking stuff.
This is such a great idea.
Sorry.
Yeah, it did.
It went under?
They went under.
We need to hold this between our cars.
I wish you would get hard thrown.
Or we need like a ratchet strap. Hey, you got a ratchet strap?
You're gonna ratchet it to your car?
Oh, yeah, we are.
There's your ratchet trap.
I was gonna die. Push vehicle.
Give me, this is scary. Give me this. I'll hold it out here. Pretty impressed. Carl, you've just been making me proud all weekend.
That's how you do that. He wanted to get the forklift. Horse winds out here right now. We got cows flying around everywhere. It's absolutely nuts out here. A few hours later, it is now qualifying time for the 2.4 hour of LeMullets. Drivers are getting in their cars and pulling up to the line right now. I guess they get 3 laps. And that is going to set their time and their starting position for later. You ready for that demo derby out there tonight?
That's gonna be an interesting
Dude, you guys throwing 5,000-pound cars into the corners with a bunch of overly aggressive guys.
Yeah. Sounds like a great time.
It's gonna be
a lot of slipping and sliding tonight.
It's gonna be a good show, though. That's for sure.
It'll be a demo derby for sure. Or the slowest Crown Vic race you've ever seen.
One of the two, for sure. Hey!
Hey, some of those clips or what?
Yeah, I got you. These ones? Sure. Oh yeah.
Uh-oh.
We're good. No leaks, brother.
I would also be sparingly on the nitrous because Little Birdie told me that they're not all filled all the way.
Yeah, I know that. I never really leaks so bad, too. We'll be all right.
Yes.
Really? So we're probably basically still in the same spot. Yeah, you guys moved down a little bit.
Hey, my man! Starting P5, brother. You got this. How'd it feel? Pretty good? Oh, you think?
It's good. Good, man. It's fun out there. It's fun. There's more traction than you'd expect for all the rain.
It did not look like you guys were sliding that much at all.
I was being conservative. I didn't want to spin it out. Look like an idiot qualifying. Just make a couple smooth laps, but no, it's good, man. Track's fine. This bean shape's really fun. I think people are definitely going to start overdriving and getting wacky once the competition starts.
Oh,
cars are going to be spun out everywhere, but
absolutely.
There's car 66. They both
Look sketchy.
one's less.
I literally feel like it's going to snap in half going around the corner.
Freedom Factory, boys.
All right, so we decided last second, the race director, I told him, hey, listen, up to you, brother, if you want to invert the field. And he went ahead and inverted the field. So the #1 qualifier is starting in the back of the pack.
I'm so happy you guys are racing tonight. That made me so happy.
Much deserved.
It really is.
How confident are you in your co-driver?
Next time we build these, we might be able to.
I saw him crash a perfectly good Tesla one time.
Yeah.
You really think he can handle a Crown
which car are you
Vic,
guys
which is
driving
a
home?
much more powerful vehicle?
We're going to forfeit and take the car home. They can keep the truck.
I'm pretty sure that car is better built than that truck.
He's
going to take home the black G-body, and I'm going to forfeit the Wrath of God. Camaro. I'm going to take that thing.
I really feel like the body's going to come off the chassis on that thing.
You put the fab and stuff.
Of course I'm excited to rip. I'm actually not excited to stand next to you. I feel like I'm 3 feet tall over here. Can't stand man. This man's much larger in real life. Y'all about to have some fun at work! Oh man, thank you all for coming out and standing in this rain and watching us do a demolition derby out here. I mean a race. Man, with your big truck. Not on the wall and not in the grass.
On three, we're all say, start your engines, but I need you to yell it, spin your rig. I want that vein in the side of your neck, sir, to pop out like the Lincoln Tunnel, okay? On three, 1, 2, 3. Get your hands together for all the staff that makes this happen, and thank you, Cleetus. Thank you to everyone that made this happen on 3. 1, 2, 3, All right, let's go. Cleetus McFarland made the call. Invert the entire field. The fastest will start at the rear.
Yeah, that's a big decision.
the Street Bike Tommy fans out there, anybody? 3 of them love it.
Flag this time for Zach Walker with that 3 car. Zach Walker's going to drive through that windshield, not driving that rearview mirror, coming through that Mustang. Can he do it? Derek Weisberg Garage got to close a big gap. Looks like you got Zach. Doing good, coming into a little bit of traffic in turn 3. Here he comes off turn 4. Second Flames, give it up to Zach Walker. 2022. What a run. Zach Walker.
Yes.
Here. First time at the Freedom Factory. Works in the climate flying camp. And just puts on an absolute show. Shout out to Tom.
That's so awesome.
Then you got Zach. Come on, everybody. Get up on your feet. Let's hear it for Zach as he comes across. Let's go.
before you were just like, no, they need some work. Look at that. This is actually pretty nice on the inside, though. Yeah, this is pretty nice.
George bought it in Brooksville, drove it to our shop. The other one was in, I want to say it was in Miami or something.
So not as far.
Yeah. Well, actually,
Still,
Miami's further.
Is it further?
Yeah, 2 hours for George. Miami, I think it was like 3.5, 4. But George drove this on the interstate.
I
2
cannot
hours,
imagine.
100
No.
miles.
I would have loved to see people watching this pass them on the highway. Like,
It's a neck breaker. I haven't even looked at the engine.
that's sweet, bud.
Old
It is
350.
nice, but it's taller.
You got bigger wheels than I do.
I know. He said
Some belt off?
Yeah.
What is it?
The belt was about to fly off. You have to fix that before you drive home.
Fine. No big deal. Minor detail.
That trophy, though, is my favorite thing, though, about all of them. They turned out so nice.
It's perfect just seeing the bald eagle.
Just sitting
Freaking
there.
out. I know. It's awesome.
Riding with it.
It's got that old car smell too.
Yeah.
I like it.
It took
There is a
it took
market.
2 cars to make
I was gonna
this.
say somebody whose truck broke down and their car broke down.
Yeah,
and
it
said,
took
what
it's
can we
an
do?
S10 chassis
Yeah.
Okay.
and then a Grand
Look at
Prix
me.
chassis welded onto that chassis.
Seems suspect.
Here's the inside of the winning Crown Vic at the 2.4 hour LeMullets. This is Ty and Zach's Crown Vic. This got destroyed down here.
It literally looks like a hurricane.
Wow.
It looks like somebody ruined the track.
Yeah? Few people did. There is carnage down here.
You can see the tracks in the mud. See? You can see the tracks. Ew.
Oh, Chet's car. It got trashed over
Now
here.
I'm gonna have rubber on my shoes.
It's okay.
Remember I fell through that?
Yes.
That was bad.
Wow.
So destroyed.
That got worked. Oh, that's when Justin was driving and smashed into the wall.
That definitely counts. He killed it. Are you okay, buddy?